A lot of people who are dating or have been broken up with by an avoidant attacher often find a lot of relief in discovering attachment theory and will often enter into a phase of thinking, well, if I have the power of attachment theory with this knowledge, I can somehow get my ex to understand their avoidant ways and maybe we can work on our situationship or relationship or even try and get back together. To which I want to say, I love your enthusiasm, but just hold your horses. You have to understand that for a lot of people who have an avoidant attachment, they already know they have a fear of intimacy. And just because you have absorbed this information and it's resonating for you to help you work on yourself does not mean that the person you are dating or have dated necessarily feels the same enthusiasm to work on this. You have to remember that avoidant attachers aren't exactly happy internally with the fact that they actually have these issues. Many of them have core wounds about being defective, being a bad person. So you shining a light on this particularly sensitive topic of theirs is not something that they're going to really be, let's just say, eager to unpack until it becomes a glaring issue for them. Much of the time when they break up with us, it's because they believe, from a trauma state, that it's the right decision. So trying to convince them that it's their side of the street when they're not ready to hear it usually backfires. So just bear in mind, at this point, the knowledge is a benefit to you and will only be a benefit to them when they're ready for it, which usually takes time.